everybody, Taya Countryman here. I'm at Oakworks today, and I'm here because Oakworks is going to work with us to give us the SRT table that we want. You deserve a high-low table as a therapist. You need to save your own body if you want to continue doing work. I've been doing this for over 35 years now, and I want to tell you, your table will save your body. But I know you. You're a massage therapist and you're like me. We never come first. Everybody else comes first. So let's get a high-low table for our patients. I have a nice young man here today. Bob, will you come on into the video? Say hello to everybody.
Hello.
This is Bob. Bob's beautiful and he's young and he's handsome. He's not always going to be that way. And not all your patients are either. You have patients with conditions like MS, or they've just had surgery, or they're older. You need a table that's better for them. So today, Bob, we want to think of you as being old and decrepit like me, okay? All right, so what I want you to do for me is, first thing, notice how low this table is. You're not going to have to get up on something to get onto the table. And did I tell you the name of the table yet? Not yet, but I will. So what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you lay down on your back for me. And now I can either use my hand control or my foot control, because we're going to have 2 foot pedals for you on this table. And I'm going to be able to push with it my foot, and he's going to be able to go up higher, so that saves your back. You know what the name of this table is? It's called the Veneto. It's very Italian. I like it. But for today, think of it as your SRT table, because it's also going to help you with the positions that you're going to need to do. But once again, we want to think about the comfort of the patient. So think how many times you put the bolster in, the bolster out. Yeah, let's not have any more of that. Let's have a built-in bolster. And we can raise and lower that bolster with the hand control to be comfortable for the patient. Some people need more flexion to shorten the tissues on the torso and in the psoas, and some people need less. Look how high this goes. For people with low back pain, this is like a, it feels great. And it's much easier on your body than to have to pull it in, get it under the sheet every time. My patients really love this. So now I'm going to put that down again. And let's say we're done with our treatment. Also, you don't need a wedge. You can see that on one of the other YouTube videos, because the other thing this can do for your patients is, I'm putting them, so you can do simultaneous buttons here. I'm putting them all the way down because now I've done all this great work on this patient, and I already saw how this guy got off the table earlier and he doesn't even know how to do it correctly. I'm going to sit this patient up so that they're not going to undo the good work that you've done. So I've got him all the way down, as low as he can go, and now look what I can do. I can sit this patient up. This is also really a great thing in our SRT treatment when we're going to shorten some of the muscles in here as well. It's really wonderful. But, right, you're not doing this for you. You're getting these tables for that patient. See how nice that is? So now I want you to just gently rotate your body, go ahead and sit up, and go ahead and stand up. Better for your patient. This is the table that you're going to want to buy. It's an investment in your future, in you, and it's an investment in your patients. It's going to last you the rest of your practice time. Trust me. Oakworks is a table I recommend because you are getting a quality product with quality parts. You want to buy this one. Talk to us. Email us. Thank you for listening today. Oh, I forgot to tell you about the accessories that you can add to this table. And you might want to really think about these. So hey Bob, how tall are you, Bob?
6 feet.
He's 6 foot tall. See how nice and wide this table is? It's really wonderful that way. And it's really long enough for him. But I have a few patients that are a little wider and a little taller. And you might have them too, so you may want some accessories. Here's the most amazing thing about this table. I love this extension because it works just like your face cradle, but look, you can take it and put it right in, and look, you have an extension to that table. And when you come to classes, we're going to show you a couple other ways that you can use this in some of the positions that you're going to do. So if he was taller, this would be great. The next thing is, in our profession, we're starting to see people with dual licensure. Estheticians and massage therapists, dual licensure. Acupuncturists and massage therapists, dual licensure. And so many of you really want some armrests. Look at this new thing they came up with. I'm so excited. It's like a new toy for me. Not only are you can detach them, but look what this thing does. Bob, can you put your arm on that? Look, you can slide this back and forth. And look, this is really exciting. Watch. You can actually bring it out and bring it back. If you're an acupuncturist, this is very important to you, or even if you are an esthetician. And some of the massage therapists I've talked to say they really would like to have this accessory. Now, let me show you how great it is too. What you can do is you can take it out. There's nothing that you're going to bump into, and you can just put them to the side. So you have them if you need them, but you can take them out. That's what's really great. So I'm going to hand this to my assistant. And the other thing that you are always complaining about, and you know me, I'm lazy, is you want a really good stool. Look at this saddle stool. I also want you to really notice the lower construction of this stool. This is going to handle anyone's weight, and you're going to be able to have this the rest of your practice, just like your table, because Oakworks really believes in quality. They stand behind that, and I know they do. This is called the saddle stool. Comfortable, oh my gosh, can't tell you how wonderful it is. It actually makes me sit right on my ischial tuberosities, and I can get around with it. And you know me, I'm lazy. The more I can do sitting down, the better. The next thing I want to show you is the face cradle. It's not your regular face cradle either. They've come up, they've thought about this, they've listened to us, and what's really great about this face cradle, we've opened it up for you today. Oh, sit down correctly. Is that it has different layers of foam, but look at that. What that is, it's filled with liquid. So when you add this to your table, it's going to be softer on people's faces, so it's not going to hurt their sinuses as much. You can warm this in a blanket warmer if you have one. You can put it in the fridge if you want to use it cold, or their own body's going to warm that up quite a bit. But this is the face cradle you've been waiting for. So these are all additional accessories for the table that you can add. Start with your basic table because that's going to be a big expense for you. But then what's going to happen is you're going to want all the extras, and you're worth it. So talk to us, email me, talk to Oakworks, email them. Let's get you the table that you need. Thanks for listening.